lamang po. Ang sinasabi ko lang, kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung
136.
kasama niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
ba
alam sa...
pagbigyan?
Naku po mga kabayan po natin. Nag-walk out yung mga minority dahil hindi nila matanggap na talunan po sila sa debate at napagsabihan po sila na mahirap nga na walang alam lalong-lalo na sa usaping legal sa batas. Naku, biglang nasaktan po itong si Erwin Tolpo at si Risa Hontiveros. At si Kiko naman ay galit na galit dahil hindi daw po siya pinapayagan na magsalita. Si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, hindi naman ganon. Binibigyan nga po siya ng pagkakataon na magpaliwanag. Abay, galit na galit. So, ito yung mga tao, mga kababayan po natin, na hindi nila matanggap. Talo sila. Hanggang ngayon, hindi sila makamove on sa nangyaring pagsipa kay Tuta Soto, itong mga tuta ni Soto. Anyway, panoorin muna natin yung ilang bahagi ng kanilang debate.
From the amendment to the rules,
For the
is this
kind
rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is
the-
this rule, Mr. President, for
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here?
Senator
We would
Pangilinan.
like to raise these valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote, Mr.
Madam
President.
Chair.
Yes,
These-
Madam
we should not be.
How can the
Yeah.
presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak. Just as in 2004, I believe you were seated. And I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then, and my microphone was closed, and my right to speak was closed, was not given. I remember that time now, and the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And
Di ba? Na-back to you tuloy kay Kiko Pangilinan. Dahil siya pala ay gumawa din ng paraan nung panahon na parang gusto magsalita ni Senator Loren Licarda. Pinatayan nila ng mikropono. O tingnan mo, naibalik sa kanya. Ito kasi yung mga tao na mga pusado, mga kabayan po natin. At kapag natama ang kanilang pagkakamali, akala nila, inaapi na. Mga gago nga. O tuloy tayo.
And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time. And I was about to recognize you.
Yeah, of the committee members.
As
Now,
the
I'll
Senate
invite-
President
Madam
had stated,
Let me finish,
there is a
Madam
rule
President.
of a continuing operations of the committee
But they
while
were
the new head
vacated,
has
Madam
not
President. Walang members ang committee on rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because we vacated all committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President or Madam President.
Madam President.
So we're violating our own rules.
We recognize Senate
Yeah,
President Lim.
Mr. President, the chair already made a ruling and it's not appropriate to argue with the chair because as explained to Senator Lacson, the committee did not report it out. He read the journal of May 11, but he did not read the motion of Senator Joel today. His motion today was pursuant to Rule 136 of the rules, a motion to amend the rules, meaning if Joel was no longer the majority leader, if I was the majority leader now, or even an ordinary member, that motion was carried. No one objected that we take it up. Because, Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. We did that on May 11 so that everyone will have an opportunity to study the rule. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. But definitely, the right to propose an amendment is a right guaranteed by our rules. Senator Marcoleta has an amendment. We should go to discussing the merits or demerits of having that rule. You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules. And as I read into the records, the Journal of May 11, 2026, na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
It's a objection.
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue.
Diba? So, sabi nga nila, wala namang rules na ganyan, di, pagbutuhan na lang natin. Yun ang hindi nila matanggap. Kasi pagdating sa butuhan, pucha, talo na naman sila. Kasi 11 versus 12. Oh. Talo na naman sila. Makabayan natin. Tuloy.
Issue of whether or not the rule is good. Your issue is whether or not it's proper
Mavix.
to take it up on the floor.
Iba pa.
The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated. So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled, but the gentleman continues to object. So we have to vote on it.
Mr. President,
We're not
objection.
voting on the amendment yet.
Objection.
We're voting on whether
Yes.
the amendment is proper or not.
Yes, interjection, Madam President.
Yes, Minority Leader, Senator Soto.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking of Senator Lacson, which is we did not constitute the committee on rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we constitute the committee on rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam.
So, ayan no. Binabraso daw. Ayan naman yung mga terminong pang-artista ni Tuta Soto. Mahirap kasi magdebate. Tama, Senator Marcolita. Pag kulang ka sa kaalaman sa batas, abogado po yung kanyang kadebate.
Chairman. Where in the rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them.
Madam
And this-
Chairman, that's
thank
not
you.
the rule. The rule
Yes.
is 136.
136. Can you
So-
please, for the third time, may we request the Senate President to read into the
The
record
rules
Rule
may be
136.
amended by means of a motion which would be presented at least one day before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session hall shall be required for its approval. So I respect their objection. But how do we determine objections in this Senate? We vote. So if there is an objection, they have already explained their position. We have explained our position. I move that we divide the House,
Mr.
Madam
President,
Chair.
May I, Mr. President?
Maganda mga kababayan po natin, di ba? So kung may question kayo, di, ayan, pagbubutuhan natin. Total, demokrasya naman ito. Idadaan sa legal na proseso at yung botohan, yung napaka-importante. Kaya nga sabi ni Senator Marcolita, ang hirap kasi, ang kulang sa kaalaman sa legal. Kaya napikon po itong si Erwin Tulfo. Napikon yung mga minority at ito yung rason kung bakit sila nagbukaw. Ito tingnan nyo. Ito yung pinakarason mga kababayan po natin kung bakit sila talaga nagbukaw.
Kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section 136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong
Marcolita.
mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito Sino po magsasabi na bagong motion?
Point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang sinasabi ko lang, kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung kasama
136.
niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
bang
alam sa
pagbigyan?
batas.
Tinamaan po si Erwin Tulfo. Eh, totoo naman, putang ina na wala siyang alam sa batas, di ba? Totoo naman, no? Na puro lang siya bendalo. Eh, tama yung sinasabi ni Senator Marcolita. Mayroon talaga yung walang background sa legal. Eh, tama yung argumento ni Senator Marcolita. Ang problema kasi, hindi nila kaya makipagdebate. Hindi nila kayang tanggapin na mali sila. Hindi nila kayang tanggapin na talo sila sa mga argumento. So, idaan nila sa walkout. Idaan nila sa pakipagdebate ad hominem. Bobo, tanga ka.
My question is,
Ayan.
why
Bobo na yan.
is the
Bendalo.
majority in such a hurry to
Oh, iyakin. Pakinggan nyo, ha. Ididiin niya na naman niya na dahil makulong daw ang dalawang senador. Iyan ang kanilang gusto. Kasabwat nga po sila. Pati yung pag-alis nila dyan sa Senado, nung araw na nagkaroon ng gulo, o, tingnan nyo, yan ang gusto nilang mangyari sa kapwa nila, senador. Ito yung mga traidor.
to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable
Hindi pa yung
forms
unggoy,
of remote or electronic means using appropriate informations and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the
We recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out
Senate
of
President.
order because his question sa mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, eh mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi minadili. May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via viva voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call. That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that, Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn.
motion to adjourn is not debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
It's not
We're not
debatable with the
debating
parliamentary
minority.
inquiry, Madam President.
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcolita.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum. Yes.
Yes, Madam President.
Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President.
So mga talunan, mga kababayan po natin, sabi nga natin, hindi nila kayang makipagdebate. Hindi nila kaya si Loren, hindi nila kaya si Senator Marcolita, Cayetano, lalo pag-usaping legal. Kaya nag-walk out po sila. Hindi nila matanggap na talunan po sila, mga kababayan po natin. So dito lang napapakita na hanggang ngayon hindi sila makamove on na nasipa po si Tota Soto. Kaya ginigipit nila. Ay, naisip ko nga, baka lang kasampuat yung mga ito sa nangyayaring panggigipit ngayon sa mga senador. Tingnan nyo po yung ginagawa ng ombudsman ngayon. Nagmamadali po sila. Ang bilis ng kanilang aksyon kapag senador, which is majority. Pero sa mga kongresista, tahimik po sila. Diba? So, ang kanilang pinapain lang is Martin Romualdez, which is yung mga lumalabas na impormasyon. Si Martin Romualdez ang kanilang ipagmamalaki sa mangyayaring suna ni Bongbong Marcos at sasabihin na kaya niyang ipakulong kahit yung kanyang pinsan. Okay, yan. Kita niyo po yan, mga kababayan po natin. And sa palagay ko, hindi nila kaya yung majority. Hindi nila kaya sa kanilang pagwawala. At lalong hindi nila mapapaniwala ang taong bayan sa kanilang mga pag-walk out. Dahil wala namang kwenta pag-walk out nila. Napapakita lang na talagang mahina sila. So yun na po yung ating update at maraming salamat.